Ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay C, A minor, F, G, and D minor. Our first pattern is applicable for verse 1, and that is strum, and mute. You can mute the strings like this or like this. Mag-practice muna tayo. So, ang first chord is C chord, strum and mute, A minor, strum and mute, F, and G. Pag nakuha mo na, then uulitin mo siya ng 2 beses. And kung may kanta na, o ano, saan, sino, bakit, sa, panong paraan, minsan, ang swerte mo nasa paligid lang. Hanggang dyan muna. Sa first line ng bridge, yung gagamitin nating pattern doon is down, up, down, up, up, down. Again, down, up, down, up, up, down. It goes like, ang buhay ay ganyan. Next na gagawin is down strum sa F chord and then mute. Tapos mabilisang down, up, down. Switch to G chord and then down strum and mute. Nandun na tayo sa part na ang buhay ay ganyan. Nasa palad mo ang pagbabago ng takbo. Magkapareho lang pala guys yung pattern sa bridge tsaka chorus. So that would be down, up, down, up, up, down. Kantahin natin yung sa chorus. At walang mangyayari kung hindi mo susubukan. Magbukas ka ng isipan kahit talong may natututunan. Di mo lang alam at di mo maintindihan. Lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay natin ay may kanya-kanyang dahilan. That is it guys, and thank you so much.